Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can automatically hide your Windows taskbar every time you will open an app. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to automatically hide your Windows taskbar every time you open an app, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to right-click your taskbar here at the bottom. And then select the taskbar settings. And after that, you will then be directed to your taskbar settings. So what I want you to do here is to scroll down to find the taskbar behaviors. And once you've found it, just go and click it. And after that, there it is guys. You will now see the option to hide your taskbar, so just go and select it. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, your taskbar will now be automatically hidden every time you open an app, and it will only show if you placed your cursor at the bottom of your screen. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.